Disclaimer, this channel doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey there, awesome people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you all here. Hope you're doing fantastic. In today's video, we're diving into something seriously cool: how to crack open encrypted 7Z, zip, and RAR files without a password. Yep, you heard that right. We'll be exploring the power of brute force attacks to uncover those hidden passwords, and trust me, it's going to be an epic ride. So, grab a snack, stick with me, and watch this video till the end, no skipping. Let's jump right in and get started.
So for this I will put a password on a file and show you how to unlock it. So for this we will first open the ZArchiver application. So by clicking on this file we will compress it into a zip file and set the password. The password has been set as AET29#. So our password has been set. Now we will unlock it with brute force attack. So you have to go to this site in the browser. You will find the link of this site in the description of my video. So you can visit this site from there. Apart from this, there are links to my social media accounts in the description too. Do not forget to follow the accounts after visiting them. I keep giving updates related to the video there as well. After coming to the site, we will scroll a little towards the bottom. Here we will see an option named Browse a File. By clicking on it we will search and select that particular file from our file manager and upload it. After uploading the file, you will have to type the minimum and maximum length of the password in numbers. If you do not know the password, then I would recommend you to type 1 in the minimum option and 10 to 15 numbers in the maximum option. Similarly, if you do not know the password, then click on the checkbox and select all the options. Now start the process by clicking on Start. Now it will try all the passwords one by one by making a combination. After checking all the possibilities, it will tell you the password. It will take a lot of time. It took less than 9 to 10 hours, but it will definitely tell you the password. So if you have patience then try it and watch my video, and if you don't have patience then don't try and skip my video. This will take a lot of time, so I am going to cut this video. Finally I got the exact password after 11 hours. I will copy this password and show you by opening the encrypted file. After coming to the file manager, we will click on that particular file. After that we will click on Open and type the password. As you can see, this file has been opened successfully. If you are in a similar problem, do not forget to try this.
I hope you like this video. If this is your first time on my channel, then like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and set it to all. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thanks for watching.